Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform some basic metal pieces into an incredibly versatile tool. I'm starting with a common threaded rod and some nuts. These simple components will form the foundation of our exciting new tool. I'll mark it with a pen to ensure accuracy. Then, using my angle grinder, I'm carefully cutting this section. I'm threading 2 nuts onto the cut piece of rod. I'm positioning them carefully to create a balanced head, almost like a small hammer. I'm placing this small assembly onto a longer metal rod. This longer rod will act as a handle for our new tool. Time for some welding. I'm welding that entire small assembly onto the longer rod. This creates a strong, solid connection, crucial for the tool's durability and function. After welding, there's always some slag to clean up. I'm using a chipping hammer to remove the excess material, followed by a wire brush to smooth out the weld seams. Here, I have a rebar. I'm measuring and marking it, as I need 2 small, precise pieces. Using the angle grinder again, I'll cut these sections. I'm now welding one of the small rebars onto the head of our newly formed hammer-like section. This addition will create a specialized striking surface. Just like before, I'm cleaning up the weld around the rebar. Moving on, I'm taking a rectangular metal bar. I'm marking and cutting a section from it. This will become a crucial component for one of the tool's primary functions. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now, I'm marking and cutting another angled piece from the metal bar. I'm welding the fabricated metal assembly onto the main bar assembly, specifically the rebar near the nuts. This forms a sturdy base for what will become a bending mechanism. I'm ensuring a strong, continuous weld for maximum durability. I'm cleaning the freshly welded angled piece, removing any slag. Here I have 2 bent rebar pieces. They are used to secure metal during the bending process. I'm making sure they're firmly in place and cleaning off the solder slag. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Next, I'm preparing the bending part of the tool. I have two small pieces of metal, and I weld them together to form a T-shape. Finally, I'm welding the T-shaped metal block onto the metal handlebar. This completes the main structural and functional components of our custom tool. One last cleanup of the welds. Now our tool is structurally complete and ready for finishing touches. To protect the metal from rust and give a professional look, I'm giving the entire tool a coat of black spray paint. This not only makes it look great, but also adds a layer of durability. I'm welding our homemade bending machine securely to the workbench to fix it in place. I'm showing its bending capability. By using flat piece of metal as fulcrum, I can efficiently bend a wide variety of metal bars and strips. Look how easily it shapes the metal. Simply place the metal to be bent into the tool and secure it with a flat metal rod. With a firm grip, I can easily bend the metal rod. Here's another demonstration of its versatility. I'm bending another round metal bar, demonstrating a design that allows for flexible bending into various sizes and shapes. It's truly a multi-purpose tool for any metalworking enthusiast. our incredible multifunctional tool, transformed from simple raw materials into a powerful, versatile device. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.